quick little tutorial, one screen, no second monitor, and you want to share your slides and make sure that your audience, your participants see you, spotlit, and your slides. So the way this works is you need at least 3 people in the room in order for the 3 dots here beside the person you're wanting to spotlight, and your host can do this for you. I have spotlit myself, so I'm just going to show you what that looks like. Again, 3 dots or in the participants panel, but here when there's just a few of you, I'm going to click spotlight for everyone. So that makes the speaker spotlit. Now, as the speaker, you go into share screen, and you might want to have a introductory slide at the beginning if you're getting set up before everyone arrives. You pick your slides. Because you're on one monitor, it makes it a little bit trickier. So you're going to have this floating zoom bar, and if you wanted to see yourself, you could do this as well, but I'm doing the little hide thumbnail so I don't see myself. Under slideshow, I am going to go from the beginning. So I have that holding slide. So what everybody is seeing is me as the speaker, and they can, I'm going to show you me right now too, so you can see. So they're going to see the slide on one side and you on the other as the speaker. There is a line in between both, and they can move that and make you bigger or the slides bigger. They have that choice. But you are spotlit. That's important that that's the option. And then you have made your slides big, so you can be clicking through all the different aspects and going through your slides. I have a participant on another computer so I can see what's happening. If you don't want to have a second device open, that's okay. If you do, you want to make sure that second device does not have the sound on, or if you've connected on another device, like even your phone, having data on as that backup option. I just don't connect with the audio. So on a second computer or tablet, when I join the Zoom room, I do not connect audio. And you can turn the sound off on that device as well, the speakers. So you want to mute both the mic and the speakers on any other device, so you don't have that echo. But if you want to have another device see all the people, that's okay. But here in the top corner too, if you want to take a look at everyone, you can do that. You can also go back to, with the little line here, getting rid of that. Now, if you're wondering, what are they seeing? Right here up at the top, you are screen sharing. This little arrow will bring you down. And so as you're clicking through, you can click back to your slides. That will show you what's happening. With the little gray arrow right here, you can put that back up. So having this little Zoom navigation bar at the top, your participants aren't seeing any of this. They're not seeing this, they're not seeing that. So you could go into chat, for example, and see what's happening on another device. I'm going to just send hi. So you can see that, and then you can X out of it. All that people are seeing they are seeing your mouse move around, but so you might want to bring that towards the bottom. But with your keyboard, if you're, or over to the side here, if you can faintly see that. Now be aware too, when you move your screen to tilt it back so it's easier for you to see the slides. You're not seeing your notes, you're seeing what they're seeing, is the way you have to do it with one monitor. Be aware when you move that back that you're also moving how you look. So you want to set that up, and you might be standing. You might have a clicker to go through the slides, and you can remove yourself so you're not distracted. The bar at the top works. And then with your clicker or the mouse, you can, or the keyboard keys, you're going to talk to the camera and go through your slides. And a participant will see you spotlit and your slides, and that is the best way to do it with, or one of the ways when you only have one monitor and you're sharing screen with that one monitor. Someone else is probably host that's going to spotlight you, but I just did this for myself as well and tested on a couple different devices. So it works. I'm going to, and then stop share. And then I go back to see, this view, but it is possible for you to do both. So I hope this is helpful. You're getting to see the mess on the side, but this is how you do it. And hopefully this is helpful, and I'll check if I have another related video and I'll link that as well. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Education. Thanks for checking this out and asking your question, and I hope this tutorial is helpful.